A staple in offices, schools, and hospitals, the Corbin Russwin ML2000 series is an ANSI BHMA Grade 1 mortise lock designed to withstand abusive, high-traffic commercial, institutional, industrial, and government applications. Heavy-duty components, precision-engineered spring design for optimized user experience, and positive, secure latching ensure the ML2000 series operates reliably day in and day out to provide safe and secure openings. Direct drive performance, a key feature of the ML2000 series, optimizes lever operation with consistent torque and force throughout the lever rotation and ensures smooth, crisp lever response. Available with a full range of functions, lever and trim styles and finishes, the Corbin Russwin ML2000 series mortise lock is the ideal choice for reliable operation, unmatched durability, and peace of mind.